Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today I am going to show you how to replace the cabin filter of a Toyota Sienna 2016. Let's go. So I have here the cabin filter. So I bought this one for almost $17. Okay. So here is the cabin filter. Here we go. So I did not buy the one that's so expensive, so it's the same thing. So what's the purpose of the cabin filter? All the dust we have in this area, okay, all of that gonna go in here underneath, because you have the blower in here. So it's going to suck from right here, and then it's gonna come out from here. So meaning, so this is the one that filter all the air that going to your evaporator. So this one need to be clean. Okay, sometimes you will smell you'll smell bad. Okay, that odor is not good. It smells like a poop or part and everything. So all of that stored in here. So since the moisture from outside is gonna go in here, it's gonna stuck in here. Then you don't have enough air coming out, is because if that filter is clogged. So this one need to be replaced, like the filter from your house, right? So you need to replace those so that you have a clean air. It's the same thing in here. So that you have a clean air inside, you need to replace the cabin filter. Okay, so I am going to show you how. Now you need to remove this cover over here. So there is a lot somewhere that you can take it up in order for us to remove. Okay, right there. Just push it back in. Just easy. Push back in. That's it. And that is ready. And remove this. Okay, all of this can drop. You can remove the whole thing. There we go. Alright. So we're going to remove the cabin filter. The cabin filter is exactly on this part over here. So I'm going to remove this, press the two lock and pull this cover. So you see this, you can press this in and pull. That's a cover, and then you could pull out the cabin filter. Here we go. This is the cabin filter. As you can see the color right now. Okay, so I'm gonna get the new one and put this thing back in. So it's the same. See this arrow, airflow. So this one is gonna be like this. You need to make it sure you follow that. Okay, on the old one, as up, you see this, because the flow is from the bottom going up. Okay, so for this one you have to check. You see this airflow up arrow. So mean from the bottom the air gonna go that way. So you have to put this one now. Okay. That's it. And then push this thing back in, upload. Push this back. And then this is the old one. And then place this in. There we go. Put the lock in here and raise. And then all you need to do is just push this in. Done. Simple as that. Done. So you save a lot of money. Let's tell you, it will charge you probably 45 to 60 dollars. The last time they gave me a quote from a Toyota dealer. He told me that they're going to charge me for $60 just to replace that cabin filter. I just bought this one from Advanced Auto Parts, so save a lot of money. As simple as that. So pretty much all of the cabin filter is very simple. We just remove the lock in here, push that one, and then remove the whole glove box compartment, and then replace the cabin filter. Now you have a fresh air again. So anything that's gonna come out in this vent right here is gonna be clean, because from right there, from the blower, the air gonna go in and then blow on different area. Okay, so this is the return, this is the supply. So it's very simple. I replace for 2 to 3 minutes, and then that's it. You save a lot of money. Okay, so thank you for watching.